Hi everyone, I am Tanish and welcome to Sangitani Arts. And today we are going to learn how to fold a hexagon from a rectangular sheet of a paper. So let's get started. So you need to take a sheet. I am taking a A4 size sheet and you also need a pair of scissors. So first fold the sheet in half like this. Make sure you get a nice crease. Now open it. Now take this edge and fold it till this middle line. Do it from the other side also. Now open it. Now you see we have got 1, 2 and 3 lines. So you see this middle line, take this edge and fold it from this middle line till this middle line, and this point here should touch this line, the first line, like this. I'm going to mark it so you can see it clearly. See, this is the line and I have taken this point and this is touching this line. Now do it same from this side also. Now open it. Now you see you have gotten these two edges. You need to cut them. And this edge also. Now what you need to do is, you see this edge, now you have to fold this edge till this line, like this. Now you see this is an extra area, so you need to fold it where this is extra, like this. Now open this and then do it from the other side also. Follow these steps. You take this edge, you fold it like this. And this extra area you fold it inside. Now open up. You see there is this point of intersection. Let me mark it so you can see it clearly. See, this is the point of intersection. And you see there are these two lines also. So you need to cut along these two lines. Now you see we have got a perfectly sided hexagon. So enjoy and happy folding!